చేయదు, ఇక్కడ చేయలేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. There is a relationship between, suppose here I just wanted to recall some previous topics. What is you? What is you? Suppose this is the mirror. What is it, Amma? Mirror. This is, yes, tell me. Incident rays after reflection, they meet at one point. Okay, that is called principal focus. Principal focus, not axis. Principal focus. And you will have the center of curvature. Divya, what is center of curvature? No, it is principal axis which you are telling. I am asking what is center of curvature. Center of curvature. This reflecting surface is there. This reflecting surface. This is the surface of the mirror. It will have the reflection when the light falls on it. Okay. Reflecting surface, whatever it is there, okay, it will form a sphere. That reflecting surface. It is not the part of the mirror. It is not the part of the mirror. It is not the part of the mirror. Okay. Pole is a part of the mirror. Pole is a part of the mirror. But center of the curvature, it is not a part of the mirror. This reflecting surface, whatever it is there, it will form a sphere. Okay. Somewhere here and here, there it will form one sphere. Reflecting surface of a mirror. Say, repeat with me loudly. Reflecting surface of a mirror will form a sphere. It will have the center of. Okay, that sphere will have one center. Suppose I am assuming this is the sphere, it is having the center here. So this is called as center of curvature. We denote it with C. Okay. What is center of curvature? Reflecting surface of a mirror has will form a sphere. It will have the center of the curvature. Okay. One axis, suppose there are many lines falling on the mirror from the light. Okay, from the light. One line, there are many lines, n number of lines falling on the mirror. Those lines, those rays are called incident rays. Incident rays. Okay. One line is passing through the center of the curvature and pole. That is called principal axis. Principal axis. Are you clear with the principal axis? Center of curvature. Okay. Suppose image is here. I am taking the image. Okay. Object, not image. This is object. After it is forming, then it is called an image. But this is object. Okay. Whatever the distance between object and the pole, object and the pole, this distance is there, na? This is called object distance. Object distance. Okay. For your problems solving, you should know this terms U and V. Okay. U and V. What is object distance? What is object distance? The object is always placed like that. The distance of the object from its pole is called object distance. We are denoting it with U. Okay, we are denoting it with U. Are you clear with the object distance? What is object distance? Not, you should not say sun. In this case, I am taking sun. I can take any object. In this example, object is sun. Okay. I am asking definition of object distance. U. What is U? What is U? U is a object distance. Okay. What is U? Object distance. Object distance. What is U, Lasya? Object distance. What is object distance? What is mean by object distance? First is, it should be in definition wise. The distance between object and pole. Object and pole is called as object distance, that is U. Okay. After, when you place any object in front of mirror, it is forming, after reflection, it is forming image, na? It will form image. Suppose if you place a sheet of paper here, this image will form in this sheet as a dot, na? We have studied in the activity. It will form one image. We are the objects in front of mirror. Again we are seeing in the mirror our body. That is image, no? That is image. Like that, this sun, okay, this object, if you place in front of mirror, on the sheet of paper. This is called object. It is appearing very small. Okay, it is very small as just a dot. This image is appearing as just a dot. This is called image. Image of what? Image of sun. This is called image of sun. Okay. Whatever the distance between, this is image, huh? Distance between image and pole. Distance between image and pole is called image distance. It is called image. If it is object, object distance. If it is image, image distance. Okay. We denote it with V. Wherever you see U and V, you should strike in your mind U is the object distance. V is the image distance. What is image distance? The distance between the image and pole is called image distance. Are you clear with these 2 points? U and V. U and V. What is U? Say loudly. What is U? What is U? V. Very good. Very good. Very good. So now you know already what is focal length. Focal length. Can anyone say what is focal length? What is focal length? Can anyone say what is meant by focal length? I told you many times. Many times. Huh? Mirror of the height, no? Mirror of the height. It is nothing related. Focal length is very important term. Focal length. Focal length, very important term. Very important term. What is focal length? I told you principal focus. What is principal focus? You should not get confused between principal focus, center of the curvature, pole, focal length. Don't get confused in that. What is center of curvature? I told you already, center of curvature is the surface area of a mirror will form sphere that has a center, that is called the center of curvature. Reflecting surface of a mirror will form the sphere, it has the center, that is called center of curvature. Okay. What is mean by principal focus? This reflecting rays will meet at one point. Reflecting rays will meet at one point. measure the distance, whatever you measure the distance, the reference point is pole. Okay, reference point is pole. Now focal length. What is focal length? The distance between principal focus. What is principal focus? Reflecting rays. All rays are meeting at one point. There are n number of rays falling on the mirror that will reflect. They meet at one point. That is called principal focus. That is called principal focus. Now, focal length. Remember, focal length, f, small f. The distance between principal focus and the pole. Okay, the distance between principal focus and the pole is nothing but the focal length. Okay, focal length. This is small f. This is small f. Okay, small f. Now, this object distance, this image distance, and the focal length. These three will have a relationship. These three will have relationship. These three will have relationship. Okay, what are those? What is U? What is V? What is F? What is U? Divya? What is mean by object distance? What is V? What is the focal length? The distance between, same definition. The distance between principal focus and pole. Okay. Are you clear with these three? These three will have the relationship. These three will have the relationship. If anyone did not give, you can find another one. In your question, in the problems, they will not give focal length sometimes. They will not give image distance. They will not give object distance. If you don't know any one, these three will have relationship. No, you can find the other one. Okay. What is that relationship? Okay. 1 by D plus 1 by U, that is equals to 1 by U. Remember this formula. Okay. Suppose if you don't know F, suppose if you don't know F, there is a formula I already told you, that is R equals to 2F. R equals to, you can also write R equals to 2F. Suppose in the problem if they give the radius, so indirectly sometimes they will not give you focal length. They just give you in the problem radius. They give the radius. If they give radius, you can find focal length. You can find focal length. There is a relationship between R and F. So here 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Are you clear with these three terms? U, V, F. Okay, note down the problem. Okay, note down the problem. A convex mirror. What is convex mirror? Convex mirror. This is concave mirror. It is inverse. Okay. Convex mirror is like this. Okay. Now I am drawing that image, problem image here. The problem is a convex mirror. This is the convex mirror. Write down the problem. Convex mirror. Write down the problem. A curvature. What they are giving them a radius of curvature of 3.00 meters. Okay, radius of curvature, radius of curvature, that is R. How much they have given? 3.00 meters. 3.00 meters. If a bus is located at, if a bus is located at if the bus is located at if the bus is located at 5.00 meters, 5.00 meters, bus is located. Bus is the object here. What is the object here? Bus. Okay, means that is u only na. Object distance means we denote with u na. Okay, 5.00 meters from its method. Okay, find position. Okay, what is that position? Find position, nature and size of the image, and size of the image, and size of the image. Okay, so we need to find V and H. V and H. What we need to find out now? Image distance we should find out, and height also you should find out. Okay. We know the formula that they have given u. Only u they have given. V we should find out. Only they have given u. V we should find out. F they have not given, but they have given R. If you know the R, you can find out F, no? There is a formula, you can find out F. What is radius? F equal to R by 2. You know already R, so 2 into F. So here you need to find out F, we should use this formula. Right? F equal to R by 2. F equal to R by 2. What is R they have given? 3.00. I can take 3, no? 2. Okay. 2 ones are. Okay. Point if I take 1 into will get 10. 2 5 are 10. So I got the F, no? Focal length. 1.5 meters. Units are meters only, you should check meters also. Okay, meters. Now I got the F also. What is F? 1.5 meters. If I substitute this in this formula, I want V. I know already U. I know already focal length. I can easily find out the V. Now, find out. So 1 by V I want now. 1 by V I want. So I am just keeping this this side. This plus will become minus if you put it. Then 1 by V equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. 1 by 1.5. Substitute the values. Yes. If you substitute the values, 1 by U equals to 1 by You know mathematics, right? 1 by LCM you should take, no? 1 by 1.50 you can keep. Here 0.00 you can keep for your convenience. Just. Now you solve this problem. LCM how much you will get? 7.50. LCM if you do for this, you will get 7.50. To solve this problem, you should know a little bit maths. 5.00 plus 1.50. How much you got it? D equals to 7.50 by 6.50. So 6. So I can get it. Again, point it will be there. 1.15. 1.15 meters. So we got the D. So now you should know the height. You should find out the height also. We got the image distance. What is image distance? 1.15. 1.15. So you got the positive value. So image is formed back side of the mirror. If the value is positive, mirror image will, object image will form back side. Concave mirror, no? Concave mirror, back side it will form. Where is the position? Back side. Okay. So image size we should know now. Okay. We know the magnification formula. What is magnification? Magnification means bus is about this size. Imagine bus is this size. But in the image, it will appear as large. Means how much it is enlarged. How much it is enlarged. That is magnification. Otherwise, how much it became smaller. That is also magnification. The image will become enlarged, small and same size. No? There are 3 cases. How much it is magnified? How much it is magnified? That is magnification. M equals to H dash by H. You know already that one. M equals to H dash by H. This is the formula to find out the magnification. In H dash by H we can also write this one V by U. You know V, you know U. If you know this two, then you can find out the magnification. What is U? V 1.15. Now 1.15. Substitute that 1.15. 1.15. By what is U? What is U? 5.00. 5.00. Okay. Now do it. Here we are taking the as negative. Okay, because it is a convex mirror. Okay. Solve it. 1.15 by minus 5. You will get the value 20 23 0.23 not just 23 23 okay plus 0.23 that is m so it is got in positive value is positive it is that is virtual means your right will appear as left that is nature they are asking nature no nature is virtual and it is erect also the value is positive okay so smaller in size by the factor 0.23 then whatever the object is there that image after forming this object after forming 0.23 smaller it is appearing that is magnification 0.23 we will leave out ఒకసారి పైన స్క్రోల్ చేసుకుంటే టైం ఇంకొక ప్రాబ్లం చేద్దాం టైం అక్కడే 8 కదా
7:37
ఓకే ఇది అర్థమైన ప్రాబ్లం ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ రావాలి ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ రాలేదంటే నాతో చెప్పండి నేను నేర్పిస్తాను ఎలా చేయాలి ఈ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ చేసేది రాంది మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చేయలేరు ఆన్సర్ మీకు ఫార్ములా తెలిసినా కూడా మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా కూడా ఆన్సర్ లేదా మార్క్స్ ఇవ్వదు ఎల్సిఎం తెలిసిందని ఓకే ఒకవేళ మీకు సార్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత సార్ దీన్ని సింపుల్గా ఎలా చేయాలో ఒకసారి చూపించండి సార్ ఇలా పాయింట్స్లో మాకు వస్తాయి సో దీన్ని ఎలా ఈజీగా చేయాలి సార్ అని సార్ అడగండి ఈజీ వేలో సార్ మీకు చెప్తాడు ఎలా చేయాలి అంతేగాని ఇక్కడ మీరు ఆగిపోయారు అనుకో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి మార్క్స్ ఇవ్వండి దీన్ని ఎలా చేయాలి మెథడ్ ఏంటి అనేది మీకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి ఇలాగే పాయింట్స్లోనే ఇస్తారు ఓకే సో ఇక్కడ మనకి సైజ్ అడుగుతాడు సో 1.15 మీటర్స్ ఇక్కడ వరకే వేసుకున్నాం మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ వేసుకోవాలి m equals to h dash by h that is equal to p by u that is equal to p by u మనకి వాల్యూస్ తెలుసు కదా v v u v సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి 1.15 by 5.00 వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి ప్లస్ 0.23 ఓకే సైజ్ ఎంత మీటర్స్ వేయాలి మీటర్స్ ఎంత తక్కువ ఉందంట సైజ్ ఇమేజ్ సైజ్ 0.23 స్మాలర్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఇమేజ్ సైజ్ 5.00 ఉంది కదా ఆ దానికంటే కూడా అది డిస్టెన్స్ ఓకే ఆ సైజ్ కంటే కూడా ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అయ్యే సైజ్ ఎంత ఉందంట 0.23 మీటర్స్ తక్కువ ఉంది సైజ్ కనుక్కోవాలి నేచర్ కనుక్కోవాలి పొజిషన్ ఎటువైపు ఫామ్ అయింది ఇలాంటి ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు చేస్తుంటేనే మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జామ్స్ వచ్చేటివి దాంట్లో కూడా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇవే ఇస్తారు ఓకే మీకు వాట్ ఈజ్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్ వాట్ ఈజ్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ అని అడగరు దీని మీద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తారు అవి అర్థమైతే కాదు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వింగ్ ఉంటేనే మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైంది లేదంటే అర్థం కాదు ఓకే 0.23 తగ్గింది ఇమేజ్ సైజ్ తగ్గింది స్మాలర్ కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం వెళ్ళాను నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నేను నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తాను ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీకు ఒక 10 ఇస్తాను మీరేమి చిన్న చిన్న డెఫినేషన్స్ రాపిస్తారు ఏంటి లేదంటే నేను రాసే పేపర్లో మీకు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో పంపిస్తాను ఓకే Okay, what is focal length, what is principal axis, main points ఏవేవి ఉన్నాయో అవి రాసి పంపిస్తాను. అవి చదువుకొని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఒక 10 పెడతాను. సండే రోజు ఎగ్జామ్ ఎల్లుండి అవే రాయండి. సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్సే చేయండి. బట్ ఎలా మీ ఓన్గా దాని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు, మీకు ఎంత అర్థమైంది ఏంటి అనేది ఆ రోజు మీకు క్లారిటీగా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీద ఆ రోజు కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాం. మనం ఇంకా ఎల్లుండితో రిఫ్లెక్షన్ టాపిక్ ఎంటర్ చేసేది. రిఫ్లెక్షన్ టాపిక్ ఎంటర్ చేసేది. నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ ఆన్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. An object 4.0 centimeter in size. How much the centimeter? How much the size? 4.0. Amina, please practice board up. An object 4.0 centimeter in size is placed at 25.0 centimeter 25.0 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. An object is placed, size, they have given size, okay, is placed at 25.0 centimeter in front of concave mirror. Okay, what is concave mirror? Concave mirror is this one. Okay, this is concave mirror. Object is placed, any object you take. Okay, suppose imagine one pencil is there. Okay, this is the object. What is the size? Size is 4.0 centimeter. 4.0 centimeter. This is the object. Okay, next under the science topic class. Size equals to 4.0 centimeter. Object is this one. Okay, this distance also they have given, object to pole distance. How much they have given? 25.0 centimeter. This is called object distance, that is called U. U equals to 25.0 centimeter. Okay, next. Okay, in front of concave mirror, focal length also they have given 15.0 centimeter. What is focal length? The distance between the principal focus and the pole. That is they have given, that is okay, F equals to 15.0 centimeter. 15.0 centimeter. Focal length also they have given, right? Size, object size they gave, distance, object distance they gave, and also they gave focal length. At what distance from the mirror? At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed image. Find the nature. Find the nature. You should find out the nature and image size of the image. Size of the image. You should find out. अभी आपकी ये डाउट कर okay. Object. They have given object. This is object. No? Size of the object they have given. They are asking you to find out size of the image. Okay. Yeah, we know already that what they have given. Object size is h. Object size is h amount. Okay, that is h. Image size means h dash always. Okay. Object size how much they have given? 4.0. Sorry. How much they have given object size? Object size that is h 4.0. Object distance also they have given. Object distance. Object distance is u. How much? 25.0 centimeters. See, units are same in all cases, so no need to worry about the units. All are centimeter only. Suppose if they give meters, some values, if they give in centimeters, you need to convert it. Okay. So next, and it, even. ఇది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఆ పేపర్లో వేస్తే ఇది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారో ఒకసారి పిల్లలకు క్లారిటీ మరి గుర్తిస్తారా ప్లస్ 1 బై పెన్ని ప్లస్ 1 బై 1.50 మైనస్ -5.0. దీన్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? అదే అంటే ఒకసారి వాల్యూస్ చెప్పు మళ్ళీ ఎల్సిఎం చేస్తే నేను ఇలా ఇలా వచ్చింది ఎల్సిఎం చేస్తే 7.5 ఇప్పుడు వేసి పిల్లలకి క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది వీళ్ళకి ఎల్సిఎం సరిగ్గా రావట్లేదు. Okay, object distance they have given. They have also given focal length. F also they have given. How much? Minus 15.0. We need to find out the image distance. B. And also image height. Image size only we are calling it as height. Image size h dash. What is the formula, Divya? 1 by v plus 1 by u, that is equals to 1 by substitute the values. We need to find out the v now. V, if you find out, you should take the center in the right side. If you take it, the plus side will change into minus 1 by 11 minus 1 by u. Substitute the values. F they have given, u they have given. Substitute values.
minus 15.
1 by minus 15.0. 13.0 plus 1 by 25.0. Minus 37.5. 75.3. LCM you will 75 point. Minus 2. 1 75.0. You will get minus 37.5 centimeter. Means this is V na? Okay. That is image distance. Image distance means you should keep. They are asking in the question na. What they are asking, at what distance the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain the sharp image. So you should place it 37.5 centimeter in front of the camera. Okay, in front of the camera only. Why in front of the camera? Because it is a concave mirror. You should keep it in front of the camera. This is 25 now. 37.5 centimeters. This is image. This image is here. Okay. This distance we got it. Image distance. Huh? Next one. You got the image distance. That is size of the image will be. That is magnification. M equals to H dash by H na. What is H dash? V. What is H? U. You got the V. What is V? 37 point minus 37.5 centimeter by here you got the U now. What you do one thing. We want H dash now. So what you need to do if you do the cross multiplication? What will you get? We want H dash. Okay. Image size na. So H dash equals to VH by U. Shall we write like this? H they have already given. H they have given here. Okay. What is V value? Minus 37.5 centimeter into H. What is H? 4.00 centimeter by U. What is U? U they have given 25.00 centimeter. After point, if you keep 10 or 20 zeros will be same. If you do this problem, you will get the image size. Image size H dash you will get. Do this one. Do this problem. H dash equal to. Tell me the answer. You should do multiplication. 37.5 4. You should do. You will get some value. This is also minus only, na? 25.0. 25.0 is also take it as minus only. Answer is minus 6. Here minus is there, minus. This is minus. Minus 6.2. Height of the image is minus 6. Since it is a negative value, it is inverted. Okay, inverted. And the size is, nature is enlarged. Enlarged. This size is enlarged. Here they have given size of the image. It is enlarged. Okay, you should back at this table. ఇన్వర్ట్ అంటే మన ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఇప్పుడు మిర్రర్ లో చూస్తాం. మిర్రర్ లో ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మన రైట్ అనేది లెఫ్ట్ కనిపిస్తుంది, లెఫ్ట్ అనేది రైట్ కనిపిస్తుంది. దాన్ని ఇన్వర్ట్ అంటారు. ఇలా ఇలా next find out this problem. Find the focal length of a వీళ్ళకి పేస్తున్నారు. టాపిక్ ఏ అడగట్లేదు, వీళ్ళకి చాప్టరే ఉంది. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి. Find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 meter. Very easy problem. They have given radius of the curvature, r they have given, right? What is radius of curvature? R 32 centimeter. You need to find the f. What is the formula? F equal to r by 2. Find out. F equal to r by 2. First write down r equals to 32 centimeter. F equals to r by 2. R they have given. Substitute the r value. 16 is the answer. Copy next problem. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter. Placed at 10 centimeter in front అయింది, 3 times ఎక్కువ అయిందంట. ఓకే, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter. ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేశారంట? concave mirror ఉందమ్మా. I will explain concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Okay, object is placed, u is 10 centimeter. That is object distance 10 centimeter. This image is 3 times enlarged. Image B you should find out. Image is 3 times concave, 3 times magnified real image of an object. Where is the image located? Second locate చేస్తారు. In front or back? In front only. Concave mirrors always from in front of the mirror. Okay, simple, answer is simple. ఎక్కడ లొకేట్ అయింది ఇమేజ్? Located at in front of the concave mirror. In front of the concave mirror. Convex mirror second, back side of the concave mirror. Mirror back side form అవుతుంది image. Convex mirrors. Convex mirrors. ఇది concave mirror అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? ఫ్రంట్ సైడ్ ఫామ్. ఓకే, we are done with the problems. I will give 10 problems amma. Okay, Sunday ki. So our problems will practice